An afternoon spent making a gingerbread chalet. That sounds like a great winter day to me. And this recipe is extra special with boiled sugar and molasses and spices. Ground ginger, of course, and ground black pepper adds a lovely kick of heat to this gingerbread. Ground allspice, ground cloves. And finally, fresh ginger. I just need to bring this to a gentle boil to get all those sugars infused with all the spicy flavors. Let's get some dry ingredients in here. Tiny bit of salt to cut that sweetness. The secret to a really sturdy gingerbread wall is to add the ingredients slowly, one by one. We've gone from a batter to a thick dough. What could be more wintry than a Swiss A-frame chalet? The trick is to build a home to spec. You gotta make sure that the pieces fit together before cutting the dough. This is gonna look so cool. Okay, it's coming together, but I have a lot more dough to roll out. Let's make some cute little trees and animals to keep this chalet company. I believe it's time for a housewarming. All right, I gotta work fast before these cookies are eaten. Building a gingerbread chalet takes time, but it is so worth it. I have all my pieces baked, but I need a beautiful, delicious mortar to hold it all together, so I'm making royal icing. First, powdered sugar, and this is meringue powder. Cream of tartar helps the icing to set. And vanilla, because us bakers throw it into everything. Now, I want this icing to be pretty thick, so not too much water. That is beautifully thick. I'm gonna use it as the glue that holds the house together, but I'm also gonna use it to pipe some beautiful decorations onto the front of it. Let's do some decorating. Doesn't every chalet have a walkout balcony? Don't be afraid to decorate if you want to hide any seams. The trick is to decorate the pieces before building the chalet. The royal icing needs to harden completely before building it. Now, every gingerbread chalet should make a really great first impression. So I've got a beautiful board, and I'm gonna make a whole winter scene here. Let's set the scene. Let it snow. Classic gingerbread. You just can't go wrong. So, next time there's a blizzard coming down and you are stuck inside, just turn up that oven and bake.